Hello everyone, my name is Kim. I'm the CEO of Cognizant Latvia. In Cognizant, we help our clients becoming more digital and to optimize their business. We also hate bad technology. As usual, today we will review a cool gadget. If it's good, we will give it away. If it's bad, we will destroy it in some fancy way. But before we get to the unboxing, Cognizant Latvia, we are always looking for great people. So if you're interested in changing your job, then check out the link down here. See if something fits you. But now, let's get going with the unboxing. So today's item that we will test is Hovercraft. It costs 25 euros and it seems to have quite good features. You should be able to control it from 50 meters. It will run both on water and on land. It can do some, according to the description, it can do some really cool 360 turns. And the only downside that we could find in the description is that the battery has quite short time span, so you can run it for only 10 minutes and then you need to charge it, and the charging takes approximately 2 hours. Reading on the box also, you can see that, as usual with some of these gadgets, the translation into English is not perfect. So, it has handsome appearance, it's flat out most, which doesn't really make sense. But yeah, let's unbox it and see how it works in reality. Go ahead and open the box. Very radio control, the battery, the antenna, cable to charge the main battery, short operating instruction, and the actual hovercraft, which looks at least a little bit mean. And let's see if we can open up and put battery in somewhere. Maybe we need some screwdrivers for that. Maybe I need to read the manual. I think it should be just like this. Oh well, we will figure it out, and we will also charge the battery. And when we get back, we will have a fully charged battery so that we can test this out for 10 minutes before the battery is out again. Okay, so we are outside. We are ready to test the hovercraft, and we have here measured 50 meters because that's how far we should be able to go with this one. We will test it on land first, and we will test to do some turns, and if it works well, we will also test it in the water later on. So let's see. And the pillows are a little bit inflated, but yeah. It doesn't work on grass at all. We will try to move it to another surface and see if it works better there. So we don't really have high hopes, but let's try if it works on water. Maybe at least it will float. Okay, so time for verdict. I think that even though it actually floated and moved around in the water, this is something we need to destroy as it's bad technology. It didn't move at all on sand, it didn't move at all on grass. And in the water it moves a little bit, but it's clearly too weak engines, too bad controls. And as a toy for your kids, 25 euros for this, and you can only use it for 10 minutes before you need to charge it. It's simply too much money and too less quality. So we will destroy this in an upcoming episode. As usual, if you have ideas of how we should destroy this, write it in the comment section. And maybe that's the way that we will destroy it going forward.